We've got the RhythmFun 2-in-1 running treadmill / walking pad. I'm doing a comparison video today. So what we're doing is I'm just doing a comparison between this running treadmill / walking pad and most other 2-in-1 treadmill walking pads in this category and price point. So I've got three main points that I wanted to cover. The first is this is true foldable and portable design for home office. So it's built with a 43-pound alloy steel frame and it folds up for storage. So all you do is you unscrew these things on the side. This thing folds back and you can store it like under a couch or something like that. That's also the position you'd have it in for walking. I have 2 other videos showing you guys how this works, so you can watch those for that. But many budget treadmills in this category either don't fold easily or they're a lot heavier, especially when you consider the running component. This thing's extremely lightweight. Compare, this one's 43 pounds, and typically when you're getting in this category, it's 60 to 70 pounds. So this thing's a much better vibe as far as that goes. Number 2, supports decent user weight. So typically in this category, max weights are probably around 250. Most other treadmills like this. This one is 300, definitely a lot more stable. And you can see the base, the shock absorbers and the rubber feet at the bottom. This is definitely built a lot better, and it's built to withstand the beating of running as well as maybe having a little higher weight capacity. And then number 3, quiet, low speed treadmill, optimized for walking rather than running. And so when you have it in walk mode, it is optimized for walking. I think the value is that when you put it in run mode, it's still insanely quiet for the fact that you're actually running at 6.7, 6.8 miles per hour. I mean, when I'm looking at the number on the product page, I've tested out tons of treadmills in this kind of category, these kind of like budget walking pads. It's very rare that you find one that gives you the ability to run, let alone is actually good at it. You don't feel stickiness on the pad itself when you put your feet down, and it feels nice and stable, but it also gives you that shock absorbing. The fact that it's quiet is freaking crazy to me. So it's very easy for me to understand why this is selling hundreds right now, and it has over 1,300 4.5 to 5-star reviews, many people reviewing it after the fact, talking about how much they love it. So I go ahead and I just trust what everyone else does, because as humans, we all follow the crowd. And that's why we're all following me, who's all following the crowd. We're all following the crowd and we're buying this treadmill.